Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a welcome email automation in Beehiiv. So let's get started. So once you are here in the dashboard of your Beehiiv account, what you want to do is go into audience and click on automations. And from here you can see all the automations if you have one previously. If not, then you can just click on the new automation button right there and click here. And from here, give a name for your automation. So let's say since this is a welcome email, let's go for welcome everyone, maybe something like that. And description, welcome to my newsletter, just for an example. And click on save automation right there. So that is just a description of your automation right there, but it's not going to be shown into your subscribers. And from here, since this is a welcome email, our trigger right here would be when someone signs up. When you click here on add trigger, click on someone signed up right here. So when someone signs up, then this automation will now be triggered. Once you have clicked that, you can click here on activate and click on confirm so that this would now be activated, and click on save. And then after that, we're gonna add a new one right here by clicking on the plus button, and we're gonna send an email to them. So right here, and we're just gonna go and click here on configure step, and we're gonna create our email. And you can now build your email right here however you'd want. You can build some blocks and so on, but I have a sample right here from ChatGPT, so I'm just gonna use this for the sake of speed of our tutorial right there. So let's say this is my welcome email and my subject line right here, so welcome subscribers, maybe something like this. You cannot leave the subject line empty right here, and please feel free to read everything, maybe something like that. And then once you're done building your email right here, you can preview it, you can test it right here, you can test it, we can do that right here, and so on. So once you're done, you can click on exit, and then now you can click on activate. So now this email would be activated, and click on save. And now this email will be sent when someone signs up. But you can also have the option to add a delay right here, so they could wait right here. So if you want to have some delays after they sign up, so maybe you can go for click on configure step, and then you can go for any day of the week, and then the time of the day, every 8 o'clock of the day, then this email will be sent right here. So you can also do something like that. But in this case, we'll just delete this one right here. I'm just showing an example. So this email will be sent automatically after they signed up. And then the next one is we would want a survey form email so that we can ask them question about themselves, and we would have information on what products to sell them, on how we are going to sell them, and so on. So this would be vital informations. So right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a delay right here between the welcome email and the survey form, so that they wouldn't feel flooded. So let's say we want to go for time delay, and we're gonna configure this, and we're gonna set the time for maybe 1 day. And after that, so 1 day after sending the welcome email, the survey form email will be sent. So to do this, we need to create a survey first. So we would need to go back into the dashboard right here, dashboard, and then we were going to go for audience and go into surveys, and then we would have the survey forms right here, and click on create survey. And from here, you want to name your survey right here, so sample 2, and description for your survey, whatever you want, and your thank you message right here, so thank you for answering, maybe something like that. Click update survey. Once you've done that, then you can go to the form builder and add your questions. So click on add first question. Let's say, what is your name right there, and then you can go for a short response, so they can type out their name and their custom field value. So if you don't have one here yet, then you can just create one, and then just select text, create custom field, and so on. So if you want an in-depth tutorial of survey forms, I have a video about this one, so you can just watch that before creating the survey form. And then now we have the question. So now that we have one, you can always add more using the same process right here, so it's up to you. For now, we're done for this tutorial on the survey form. So we're gonna click here now on publish, but you can also preview if you want to view it first. right here. So as you can see, this is how our survey would look like. So let's go and publish it. Click on publish. And now we have that. And the next thing is we're going to go click on the three dots right here at the right side. And we're going to copy the URL of that survey. Click on that. And then we're going to go back here into our automation. So from here, since we have now set up the delay right here, so this is just 1 minute. So let me just configure this. And let's go back into days and then activate. Click confirm and save. And then we're going to go and send email right here. And we're gonna go and configure this again, create new email. And now from here, we will now be linking our survey form to our survey form email right here. So we'll just paste this. So I got this from ChatGPT just so that we can work faster. And what we're gonna do from here, what's so important in your survey form email is that you add a button right here. So you wanna go type / and go for button right here. So button right there. And what you want to do with this button is we're going to click on custom and view survey here. Maybe something like this. And then from here, you want to type or paste the link right here that we have just copied from the survey. So let's just go and copy it again. Copy URL just like so. And paste it right here. And after that, we're going to hit on check right there. And now the survey is now linked into this button. So whenever your subscriber would click on this one, they would be prompted into the survey. So that is the way on how they can answer it. So now our survey form email is now good. We can now activate it. Click on activate. And as you can see, the subject line. So we'll just put something right here, survey and survey. And click exit. And now activate it and confirm. And now we have that right here. So we're gonna hit on save. And now we have the survey form already good. So the next thing is we're gonna add a truth or false branch. And from here, we're gonna go configure the step and add conditions. And what we want is click here on add condition and go for survey. And we're gonna select the survey that we have created and click on was submitted. So this would mean that if this survey was submitted, then it would fall under the category of true right here, which is right here. And click on save right here. So if it's true that the survey that we have created was submitted by the subscriber, then it would all fall under here. So let's just activate this right here, activated. And from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for the thank you email right here under the true branch right here. So we're just gonna go create email and say thank you. Thank you for participating. Participating right here. And subject line and preview text right there. And hit on exit and activate, confirm, and save. So now if the survey was submitted, then they would receive the thank you email. And from here, if not, then they would get the follow-up email. So we're just going to configure and we're just going to create new email. And let's go for follow-up up right there and follow-up on survey. So from here, I'll just paste my follow-up email right here. And basically just add another button right here. So basically the same one with the survey form right here, button, custom, and we're just gonna paste or copy the URL right here, and we're just gonna say view survey here and paste this right there and check. And then after that, you want to go exit and click on save. And by the way, you need to activate this first. I'm sorry, right there, activate, confirm, and save. And now just like that, we have now successfully created a welcome email automation right here. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.